Hey, it's Clay from VazenBikeBandit.com, and today I've got a really cool accessory for you Sea Doo Spark owners. If you've heard of a Sea Doo Spark, they're small, nimble, fun PWC from Sea Doo, and they come packed with so much cool stuff. But sometimes we want a little bit of an addition to put on there, and one of them is protection. If you've ever been on the waterway, you've come near a dock or another vessel, bumping into them is almost standard when you're on the waterway. So if you want to add the curb feeler of the water, Sea Doo makes the Snap-On Fenders. So it actually doesn't come with much in the box. Pretty self-explanatory here. You've got 2 per set snap-in fenders here. Believe it or not, this is the color you get for all of your sparks. So be prepared for some big bright curb feelers. And actually, believe it or not too, they've actually come with instructions. A lot of the BRP stuff makes you go to the website, but they're so simple, they didn't want to waste any time, so they included the instructions for your Snap-on fenders right here. So there you have it. Super easy, super simple. These are the Sea Doo Spark Snap-in Fenders. You can pick them up from Vase Power Sports in San Diego, California, or you can order from the comfort of your own home at BikeBandit.com. Did you like our video? Well, if so, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more exclusive reviews, project builds, and special content. And while you're at it, like our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter by clicking the links in the description.